Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So Nifty in 5 minutes open gap up and it opened near our resistance area, and we have seen a very good upside movement, and again it took the support of our resistance level only. And we have seen Nifty close with 133 points positive, whereas Bank Nifty was also super positive today, and it has closed with 400 points positive. So now let's begin the open interest analysis and we'll see what the big player plan will follow by FII. In options input, they were holding 1.62 lakhs of put buying contract. Today they have added 41,000 contracts, so they have 2 lakhs of put buying. And in call, they were holding 2.71 lakhs of call buying contract. Now they have added 18,000 contracts, so they have 2.90 lakhs of call buying. So call buying is more than put buying. We can consider options as positive now. Future index 70% long, 30% short. It means they have increased 1% long, reduced 1% short. So we can see they're super positive in futures, and in stock future percentage 54% long, 46% short. And in cash market they have purchased for 1995 crores. So see, FII is super positive now. Client are the retailers input. They were holding 1.64 lakhs of put buying contract. Today they have added 87,000 contract to the losing contract. They have averaged their losing trade. Still they are in loss only. So now they have 2.52 lakhs of put buying, and in call they were holding 3.92 lakhs of call writing contract. They have booked a good loss today. So they have unwinded 2.66 lakhs of contract. Still holding 1.25 lakhs of call writing. So client, they are very much bearish in options. In future index 44% long, 56% short. Stock future percentage 83% long, 17% short. And in cash market they have sold for 471 crores negative value. So see, client, they are very much bearish. Promoters input, they were holding 3.44 lakhs of put writing contract. Now they have increased 1.29 lakhs contract, so they have 4.74 lakhs of put writing. And in call they were holding 1.21 lakhs of call buying. They have added a fresh call writing contract today, so now they have 1.64 lakhs of call writing. Still they are super bullish in options because they have a good number of put writing. Future index 39% long, 61% short, and in stock future percentage 64% long, 36% short, and in cash market they bought for 4 not 5 crores. So promoter is also bullish. DI have sold for 337 crores, so cash flow was 1592 crores positive value. Put call ratio Nifty for this week is at 1.47, Bank Nifty is at 1.46, slightly going into overbought zone, Nifty and Bank Nifty, so we have to be careful. Monthly Nifty is at 1.36 and Bank Nifty is at 1.08. So still Bank Nifty is neutral to positive and Nifty is super positive for month end. Now let's check the change in OI. Nifty for this week, what trader carry forwarding. We have seen a good number of call writing unwinding at a 19,100 and 19,200. And put writing addition, we have seen at 19,200 to 19,300, and also call writing at 19,300. So 19,300 acting as support and resistance. Major resistance is at 19,500 only. For Bank Nifty for this week, we have seen good number of call writing and put writing unwinding at 44,500 and 44,800. Call writing has been unwinded and huge put writing addition at 45,000. So 45,000 will act as support, and major resistance is at 45,200 to 45,500. Now let's take the price action. Dow in 1 day time frame, they trading flat by 5 points negative, and also Nasdaq trading flat by 3 points negative. So India VIX has gone up by 6.85 percentage. It is at 11.54. Still comfortable, very good for the option buyers, not for the option sellers. So see, Nifty in 1 day time frame, as per the price action, it is super bullish candle formation, and we have breakout from the higher levels, and it was a 4 consecutive green candle closing days we have seen, and this was a super morning star kind of a pattern it has formed. So we have to wait for some profit booking. As per the price action, we cannot directly or blindly think of buying only. So same with Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame. After long consolidation, we have seen a breakout. Today it has formed a good shooting star kind of a candle, but it is slight positive candle, green candle it has closed. No confirmation of selling here, but as per the price action, it is still bullish only. So mark the algo point. Nifty support is at 19,256 and resistance is at 19,367. Bank Nifty support is at 44,909. Resistance is at 45,380. So see, as per the open interest analysis, the data is super bullish. So every dip we can think of buying, whereas the PCR is stating it is going into overbought zone. So we have to be slight aware that PCR is going into overbought zone. So keeping a sit stop loss only in the dips we can think of buying, that too in a intraday basis. Anyhow, tomorrow there is a US holiday, so please don't carry forward any positions. Anything can happen overnight. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.